Hello everybody! These are Elsa and Iroh's Welsh Terrier puppies, 7 weeks old, and this is Olivia and Oscar's Lakeland Terrier puppy, the black male with the orange collar, and he's 8 weeks old, and he's got 1 more week with us, and all his siblings went today, so he gets to be in on this video. So there's a week difference and a breed difference between these two. Here's Green. Yep. Green, red.
Don't pull my pants down.
Oh boy, that's the Lakeland, yellow.
Okay,
good job.
On my pants.
There's brown. They're doing really good. They're just growing right up. It's blue. Can't wait for you guys to meet them in a week. Most of you, I think, are next weekend.
Mom, watch this.
If I need to check my paper, but if for some reason we haven't finalized pickup yet, we should do that this week. Go run, Ava. Let me see you have them chase you. Run towards the house. House.
Why?
Because there's more room that way. Oh, wait. Here comes a car. Run back to me. Good job, guys.
Everybody here.
That's blue in the Lakeland.
Everybody
1, 2, 3,
here.
4, 5, 6. Okay.
Mom, everybody
There's
here.
yellow,
Everybody's scooching.
green, brown,
Everybody's
blue.
scooching.
red. Okay, now run towards the house.
Okay,
Or towards the tree. Just go to the tree.
I'm done.
There goes red and green, and then brown is last. Okay, run back here. Good job.
Now you need it.
They're doing super good, everybody. I know you can't wait to meet them. And they can't wait to meet you. And brown and blue. I just can't believe how fast time flies. Can you? There's yellow. There's brown. Green. Ava's got red. Run over here, Ava. So, all right, everyone. We will see you soon. Here's yellow. I know, because you're over there. Bring him up. Bring her over here so I can see. Blue, red, there goes green, brown, and yellow. So we'll see you soon.